The mega leak is finally here. What's up guys, strap on, we have a lot of news to talk about. We finally got the first look at the upcoming Galaxy Watch Active 4, super excited to look at all of that. Plus some groundbreaking, unbelievable news regarding Samsung X AMD. Before we get into everything, let's take a look at what we have cooking for the upcoming Galaxy S22 lineup. We've always talked about the camera specs of the S22 Ultra, but what about the base S22 and the S22 Plus? Well, Samsung is about to do something big. According to the report coming via Twitter Leakster, Samsung might finally upgrade the camera sensor of their non-Ultra flagship. Both Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus are rumored to feature a 50 megapixel primary camera sensor, combined with a 12 megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens and a 12 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom level. Now, there's absolutely no further information regarding the sensor. We don't know if it's the ISOCELL GN series or something completely unannounced. Now, nothing has been mentioned regarding the Galaxy S22 Ultra's camera, but it is rumored to get the 200 megapixel sensor with 0.64 micrometer pixel size. As we know, Samsung is working on a 200 megapixel sensor, which could actually debut on a Xiaomi flagship phone, and then later on we could see it on the S22 Ultra. So other than the Galaxy S22 Ultra, I think this 50 megapixel camera sensor move is absolutely amazing for the S22 and the S22 Plus. Also in the news, this is something that I absolutely did not expect to happen. According to a very reliable leakster, Vivo could actually use Samsung Exynos chip with AMD graphics. At first, we all thought that the Samsung X AMD GPU will be exclusive to Samsung devices only, but turns out it could actually be for everyone. Vivo, as we know, is the only brand that has used the Exynos 1080 CPU that was announced this year, so it seems like for next year they're planning something similar and they want to use the Exynos chip with the AMD graphics. According to the source, Vivo has planned to use Samsung Orion chip that is equipped with AMD GPU. If Samsung ends up making a Exynos 1090 or a secondary Exynos chip with AMD GPU for other brands, then that means we could even see the next Google Pixel flagship to use AMD GPU. As we have heard already, Google is Samsung's biggest customer right now. Their first ever custom chip is made in collaboration with Samsung on Samsung's 5nm architecture, which is why I think if anyone that's gonna use the AMD GPU next year, apart from Vivo, it's going to be Google. Now moving on, we have our first look at the Galaxy Watch Active 4. This is indeed Samsung's next big watch upgrade. As you can see, straight up, it's rocking a very minimalistic design, a bezel-less look with a premium aluminum combo. We've got a range of different colors including black, green, gray, and gold. This will be Samsung's first watch ever to come with a 5nm processor along with the newly announced Tizen Wear OS that is made in collaboration with Google. As for the sizes, it will come in 40mm and 44mm option. So yeah, there we go. This is the Galaxy Watch Active 4 looking really good with those super slim bezels. So that's all for today. Super excited for the camera upgrade that is coming for the base Galaxy S22 and the S22 Plus. I really hope it happens, and also surprisingly, AMD GPU for everyone is gonna make other brands really powerful as well. Again, this is a sign that Samsung is indeed cooking more than one Exynos chip with the AMD graphics. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.